What's going on, guys? Here I have the brand new Logitech G Cloud, and this device allows you to sign into Xbox Game Pass or Nvidia GeForce Now and download and stream and play games through here. So this is essentially an Android tablet with controllers built in. Here's a close look at the specs labeled on the bottom of the box. Here is a quick look at the back of the box, top, and the two sides. On this side, it notes what's in the box, which is the G Cloud handheld, the power adapter, USB cable, and some user documentation. So as soon as we open up the packaging, it says keep playing here, and this is the handheld. Here we have two joysticks, two buttons at the top, a few buttons on this side, directional arrow buttons here, Logitech button, home button. On the bottom we have two speakers, USB-C port, headphone jack, and nothing on the back, just the Logitech logo and your serial number. On the top we have our left and right bumpers, level 1 and 2, volume rocker here, power switch here, and we have an area to put a micro SD card. So let's go ahead and set the console aside first. And in here on the right side, we have our USB-C cable. So it appears to be a USB to USB-C cable, as well as a Logitech sticker and a setup guide for the handheld. On the other side here, it looks like it is the power adapter. And indeed, this is the power brick. So let's go ahead and set up the console. So to power it on, we're simply gonna press the power button here. Turns on Logitech powered by Android. And so to set it up, we're going to select English as our language, hit start. We can use the buttons on the left and right. Also, this is a touch screen. We're going to connect this device to our Wi-Fi. And again, you can see it says getting your tablet ready. Essentially, this is an Android tablet with controllers built into it. And we have the option to migrate any apps or data from our Google account. I'm going to go ahead and skip that. And now it's asking us to sign into our Google account. And this will ask us if we want to allow Google to access this device. We'll hit yes. And we can choose what to back up here, what location and things to allow. We'll go ahead and keep these things on and hit accept. Go ahead and accept the terms, hit next. And go ahead and set a PIN. And it has Google's voice feature turned on. So after you finish the Google setup, it's going to ask you if you want to set this device up in tablet mode or handheld mode. I think handheld mode gives you a better gamer-like experience. So I'm going to go ahead and choose handheld mode. And here at this screen, it looks like it's probably going to walk us through the device. So it just tells us about the controls a little bit. A and B are buttons, and the home button is here, as well as 2 top buttons on the left and right. And it looks like those buttons are used to take screenshots if you press and hold them at the same time. And the Magic G button is on the left here. And so the device is completely set up. So here we can log into our Xbox Cloud gaming account or our GeForce Now account. We can also log into Xbox, Steam, we have the Chrome browser, YouTube, YouTube Music, and all apps. Going to all apps, just like an Android tablet, it shows us all of our apps on the screen. And we can also go to the Google Play Store to download more Android apps or Android games. So let's go ahead and set up a Xbox Cloud gaming account. And there's also free games to play like Fortnite. Here are some of the games offered in Xbox Game Pass. So we'll try to go ahead and download Fortnite, sign into our Xbox account, and if you need to, you can create one right here. After you log in, it takes you right back to the game, and here we can click play. And Microsoft Game Pass is still in beta mode, and this is giving us a wait time of 3 minutes to play the game. So let's go ahead and wait. So this is really cool. We are now in and we can completely play the game. Again, because this is Game Pass, we are streaming the game to the device. You could also download it to it, but you know, on your Android device, you can also stream it. So that is the appeal of these cloud devices. So I'm going to save the gameplay for another video. I don't want this to be too long, so here is a video for the unboxing and complete setup. Check out my channel for more videos on this device. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think of the Logitech G Cloud? A lot of people have been saying it's pretty expensive for what it is. So leave your comments down below. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Hit that like button if you found the video helpful. I really do appreciate that. And check out my channel for more tech videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.